Alright, so we're doing 70 miles an hour right now, coming up on this area in Lakeland I'm talking about. We're on asphalt. It's not too bad, you know, I can put up with the little bit of vibration we have right this second. This is probably more of the road than it is the truck. When we get into this concrete area, which we just got into, this is the concrete area, this is where it's going to get bad. Just increased to 72 miles an hour, and here comes the shaking. And now we're shaking so bad you can hear it in my voice. My back is actually shaking, the whole seat's shaking, the whole truck is shaking. Drop it back down to 70. It gets worse. This goes on for about almost a mile of this concrete pavement that they've got. Never seen this before. None of the other cars are shaking. None of my other trucks would shake when I come through here. I'm not 100% sure why this is doing this. It's pretty bad. Coming back up on the asphalt area where all of this will end here in a second. I'm going to slow down for this guy.